The third skill we're going to do is writing a point-slope equation using just 2 points. Again, we need the slope and an ordered pair to write the equation. So the first thing we need to do is find the slope. So what we do is we do the change in the y over the change in the x. So I'm going to say for the y minus the y, so 4 minus negative 3, x minus the x, and simplify. And then look to see if we can simplify, which we can't, so we have our slope. And then from there, we just use one ordered pair. It doesn't matter which one we use, just one of them. So let's say we use the 1, 4, because I like the positive numbers. It would look like y minus the y value of 4 set equal to m, our slope, 7/3, multiplied by x minus the x value from the same ordered pair, 1. And we look to see if we can simplify it, which we can't. We could have chosen the other ordered pair, which would have been completely fine. So if we instead wrote the equation of the same graph using -2, -3, it would look like this. Y minus the y value, which is a -3, set equal to the same slope, 7/3, x minus the x value of -2. And then again, we want to look to see if we can simplify. When we're subtracting negatives, we can simplify that and make it more concise. So instead we have y plus 3 is equal to 7/3 times x plus 2. And then that would also be a possible answer. You wouldn't need both of them. You would just need one of them. Let's look at the next example. This next one, we have the ordered pair 2, 4, and -3, -6. Again, the first thing we need to do is find the slope. So we're going to do y minus the y, 4 minus -6, over x minus the x, 2 minus -3, and simplify, giving us 10/5. And from there we can simplify that down to 2. So we know our slope is 2, and we have 2 different ordered pairs we can use. If we use 2, 4, our equation will look like y minus the y value of 4 is equal to our slope, 2, multiplied by x minus the x value of 2. We look to see we can't simplify that. Still in point-slope form. The other point-slope equation we could have written is using -3, -6. So we would say y minus the y value of -6 set equal to our slope of 2 multiplied by x minus the x value of -3. From there we can see that we can get rid of those additional signs and say instead y plus 6 is equal to 2 times x plus 3. And then this could also be a possible answer of writing a point-slope equation from 2 ordered pairs. We find the slope, and then we choose one ordered pair to write the equation.